it is hot. It is hot. It's 90 degrees and I'm wet through. Just turned the AC on, so it'll cool up. But man, that Georgia heat. It's getting terrible. It's getting unbearable now, and it's only going to get worse. Anyway, I'm waffling on. I'm excited for this. I'm excited to show you. I've got some Greek fries. I'm doing a good side dish. Greek fries, the traditional, you know, the traditional olive oil, oregano, feta, lemon. Oh, they're beautiful just on their own. They're fantastic on their own. But I did a meat. You've got to guess the meat. Something nice and juicy. Meat. So yeah, I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to show you. So let's crack on.
Okay, let's get the fries going. Top and tail the potatoes, slice in half. Also keep the skins on, stack them up and slice. About ½ inch thick. Transfer to water and put to one side.
You don't have to soak the potatoes in water, but I highly recommend that you do. It removes some of the starch, it makes them nice and golden brown, it makes them crispier, makes them just better. So yeah, try it.
For the dip, add plain Greek yogurt to a bowl, followed by feta, some fresh dill, grated garlic, lemon zest, season to taste. Watch it on the salt because the feta's pretty salty, and stir well. This dip is not heavy at all, it's very light and delicious. Now place in the fridge and let the flavours get to know each other. Now back to the fries. Transfer the fries to kitchen paper and dry well. You really want to get the fries dry as possible. Transfer the fries to a large bowl, add olive oil, onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper, and mix well. To cook the fries, I used an air fryer.
Obviously, you don't need to use an air fryer. You can use an oven. It's just convenient for me, and they taste delicious in the air fryer though.
My air fryer has a fries mode, so I just went with it, and it cooked them beautifully. The onion and garlic powder golden brown, not a burnt spot in sight. Let's take these fries to a whole new level. At this stage, you can add as much as you like. Add fresh parsley, dried oregano, lemon zest, feta, fresh dill, just a dash of olive oil. Season and lightly stir. Did you guess the protein?
Steak, of course, my favourite, and also lamb chops are my favourite as well. But steak, you can't beat a medium rare steak with Greek fries. Can't beat it.
I used a ribeye, season the steak well, add olive oil to a hot pan, add the steak and cook. I cook mine medium rare, but you do you. When cooked, take out and let rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't waste all that steak goodness from the pan. I like to add a little lemon juice and olive oil while it's resting. After 2 to 3 minutes, slice and serve.
So there you go, Greek fries, delicious on its own or with a nice protein of your choice. But try it with beef, lamb chops are also good. Yeah, delicious, quick, pretty quick. Give it a go. Thanks guys.